Perfect. All right, so let's go on to replacing pages. Say I had a document that I wanted to replace a page in the middle of it without messing with anything else. And replacing is a good way to do it. Like using the actual replace page function is a good way to do it. It'll maintain your bookmarks. That's an important thing to know. Sometimes if you just kind of cut and paste pages and use like the thumbnails or something like that, your bookmarks have a chance of getting messed up. So if you use the actual replace function, then it should maintain your bookmarks the way they need to be. So what I'll do in this case here is I'm going to replace the B2 with just another document B. So I'll have like A and then two B's and then a C. So I'm just going to go to Document and Replace Pages. Again, I'm going to go navigate to where that document's at that I want to insert. Here's my document B. I'm going to hit Open, and by default, it's going to say,
now joining.
Remove which page. Like it knows that I'm on this page here. I'm on page 3 or 4. So it tries to guess what I want to do, which is remove page 3 to 3, right? Just only 3, and replace with page 1 of 1 of this document. So you can actually get specific here. I can say, I want to remove, if I had a big document, like a 100-page document, I could say I want to remove pages 20 through 30 of this PDF and replace with a specific range of pages in another PDF. And they let you do that here. But again, I'll just do a simple one here. So I'm going to remove page 3 and I'm going to replace it with page 1 of this other document. I'm going to hit OK. And then now I have A and then two B's and then the C there. And then the replace function does not, while it maintains your bookmarks, it won't delete the bookmark that was associated with the page that was replaced. So you would have to go in there, like it'll keep the bookmark the way it was. So in this case, I have to go in there and relabel that just document B. And then let's see, so now it looks, I replaced that one page. Well, that one page had a page number on it from there down there. So now let's see how that would work, because I want to update my page numbering now that I've replaced that one page in the document here. So I can go to Document, Headers and Footers, and Edit, and I'm going to say Next, and then I'm just going to hit OK, and then that's all I had to do. All I did was Document, Headers and Footers, Edit, and I said Next and OK, and it reran that page numbering for me. So now I have my page numbers fixed down here.